Welcome back to Automobile's Car, the home of the boldest, baddest, and most mind-blowing vehicles across the globe. Today, we're diving deep into the 2026 Toyota Hiace. Yes, the iconic workhorse is back and stronger than ever. Whether you're a business owner, a van life enthusiast, or just someone who appreciates serious automotive engineering, the 2026 Hiace is something you can't afford to ignore. So buckle up, grab a cup of coffee, and let's explore every inch, every nut and bolt, and every revolution this legendary van brings into 2025 and beyond. Cut to cinematic shots of the 2026 Hiace pulling up in different environments, loading cargo, cruising on the highway, stopping near a beach. Let's start with the design, because this is not the boxy van of yesteryear. Toyota has given the Hiace a complete aesthetic overhaul while maintaining its utilitarian DNA. The 2026 Hiace has a bolder, sleeker, and more aerodynamic profile. The front fascia is aggressive yet inviting, with sharp LED headlights, a bold trapezoidal grille, and integrated fog lights. The vehicle's shape enhances airflow, reducing drag and increasing fuel efficiency. You can tell immediately this is not just a van, it's a statement. Side by side with the outgoing model, the 2026 Hiace looks like it went from public service to VIP transport. It's modern, minimalistic, and muscled, perfect for both business and family duty. Step inside, and this is where the Hiace makes an even bigger leap. The cabin is spacious and thoughtfully designed. Toyota has taken serious notes from its luxury Lexus siblings. High-quality materials, ergonomic controls, and a futuristic digital dashboard come standard. The instrument cluster is now fully digital, with a massive central touchscreen offering wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There's even wireless charging, multiple USB-C ports, ambient lighting, and dual-zone climate control. It's the ultimate mix of comfort and practicality. Depending on the configuration, you can choose between multiple seating arrangements, from a 3-seater cargo van, to 9, 12, and even 15-seater passenger options. The 2026 Hiace is not just a van, it's a mobile office, a hotel room on wheels, a shuttle bus, and a cargo king, all rolled into one. Toyota's famed reliability is at the core, but now there's an even greater focus on driver comfort and safety. Speaking of safety, Toyota has gone all in. The 2026 Hiace comes loaded with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, the latest suite of active safety technologies. We're talking adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert with steering assist, pre-collision system with pedestrian and cyclist detection, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and even traffic sign recognition. Parking this beast is now a breeze thanks to the 360-degree panoramic view monitor and rear parking sensors. Whether you're in a tight urban alley or a construction site, the Hiace gives you eyes all around. But what's under the hood? Well, that's where things get even more exciting. The 2026 Toyota Hiace comes with multiple powertrain options. The base engine is a 2.8-liter turbocharged diesel inline-4, Toyota's tried and tested powerhouse, delivering around 174 horsepower and 450 Nm of torque. This engine is refined, efficient, and more powerful than ever. There's also a petrol variant, a 3.5-liter V6 producing over 280 horsepower, for markets where gasoline is still king. And yes, Toyota has teased the possibility of a hybrid Hiace, combining electric efficiency with diesel durability. Imagine the torque of electric and the range of diesel, a perfect combo for fleets and commercial users. Transmission. You get either a 6-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic, depending on your market. The shift is buttery smooth, and the clutch feedback, in the manual version, is tuned for urban and highway drive cycles. And get this, Toyota has finally brought rear-wheel drive as standard across the range, which significantly improves load balance, durability, and handling. Whether you're carrying heavy cargo or transporting 12 passengers, the Hiace maintains composure and control. Suspension-wise, Toyota has re-engineered the platform. The front gets McPherson struts, while the rear comes with a rigid axle and leaf springs. This keeps the ride stable and smooth, even when fully loaded. Toyota has even improved sound insulation, so road and engine noise are kept at a minimum. For long road trips, the 2026 Hiace becomes your comfort zone. And let's talk customization, because this is where Toyota truly outshines the competition. The Hiace can be transformed into anything. Need a luxury VIP shuttle? Add captain seats, LED ambient lighting, a fridge, and a 32-inch TV. Want a full-on camper? Get a pop-top roof, solar panels, a kitchenette, and a foldable bed. Need a mobile business van? Outfit it with shelves, desks, and tools. The possibilities are endless. Toyota knows that one-size-fits-all doesn't work anymore. So they've built the 2026 Hiace to be modular, flexible enough to adapt to your needs, yet solid enough to stand the test of time. Fuel economy figures. With the diesel engine, you can expect a respectable 11 to 13 kilometers per liter, depending on the load and road. The petrol variant gives around 8 to 10 kilometers per liter. And if the hybrid launches globally, expect efficiency to jump into the 18+ kilometer per liter range. For a van of this size, that's game-changing. Another new addition: smart connectivity. The Hiace now comes with Toyota's latest connected vehicle tech. Through your smartphone, you can monitor vehicle diagnostics, location tracking, fuel status, and even remote lock/unlock. Fleet managers, this is your dream. And for families, it's peace of mind. Let's not forget about off-road capability. While this isn't a Land Cruiser, the Hiace is rugged and built to endure rough terrains. With its high ground clearance, reinforced chassis, and strong rear axle, you can take it through bumpy construction zones, mountainous routes, or rural roads without hesitation. And yes, in some regions, Toyota is offering an optional 4WD variant, a game-changer for countries with snow, gravel roads, or wet monsoons. Maintenance. As always, the Hiace is built for durability. Routine services are easy, parts are widely available, and Toyota's global support network means you'll rarely be stranded. It's a van that works hard, and hardly breaks down. Now let's talk price. Depending on the configuration and region, the 2026 Toyota Hiace starts around $38,000 for the base cargo model. The fully loaded passenger or VIP variants can reach up to $65,000 or more. But for what it offers, it's worth every penny. You're not just buying a van, you're investing in reliability, versatility, and value retention. In a market filled with generic vans and forgettable people movers, the 2026 Hiace dares to be different. It's bold, advanced, reliable, and future-ready.